What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bring you guys another video. I'm here with Moaz.
What's up, guys?
Anyways, we're going stage 2 today. I was gonna go stage 1, but all you need is a downpipe to go stage 2. So we're doing it.
We get in the bag. Yes, sir.
We're gonna be pushing some horsepower, baby. Anyways, so I got the downpipe installed yesterday, and I'm gonna show you guys that clip real quick before we get into the tuning. So let's cut to that. Car right now. I plugged in the Keys Wi-Fi adapter into the OBD port so I could use boot mode off my phone wirelessly. So I'm connected right now, and I'm gonna go to my maps, and I got multi-map stage 2. I'm gonna use the stage 2 ACN 91 octane because we have bad gas because I'm in California. We got that 87 plus gas compared to the rest of the country. So I already configured everything to my liking, the burbles and everything, so I'm gonna just click flash. But before I do that, I'm actually gonna put my seatbelt on just so the battery doesn't die. Close the door. I'm gonna click flash. Press here to flash now. I'm gonna hit flash. Map is ready to flash. Flash is in progress. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys when it's almost done or done. Alright guys, so it's clearing all the codes right now. We are about done with the tune. It should be finished within a few seconds. Oh, there we go. Stage 2 ACN 91 octane flashed successfully. Please turn the ignition off, wait 5 seconds and start the car. So that's what I'm gonna do. Turn it off, wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna click the start. Oh my god. The GPS startup sounds good.
It's pretty loud.
Is it?
Yeah.
The downpipe and the performance exhaust are basically straight pipe now. Alright man, get in the car, bro. We gotta go for a ride.
Alright, let's go, let's go. It's gonna be the first time.
I already hear the cops, bro. I'm looking scared. Oh my god.
Wait, so didn't you tune it to like only 3,000 RPMs or past?
Yeah,
like,
so
okay.
I made it so it doesn't burble below 3K RPMs just because it was like, I feel like it's obnoxious, like it's too loud. And now that I'm straight pipe, the pops are already loud enough. I already have it like on the lowest setting and you can still hear it. Like it's
What's the setting you put for the burbles?
Bro, I think I put like 0.4 out of like 12. Like I have it super low and it's still loud.
That's under 1, dude. It's under 1.
It's crazy. Anyways, this turn.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude, you were spinning. Damn, that might call for some new wheels and tires, huh?
Bro, I look at want new wheels. I want to get some, actually I don't want to tell them yet. But I think I want some Michelin Pilot.
I'm tearing up, that was so fast. Another one just hit me in the eyeball.
Bro, it's actually quick. Well, I want to show them the pops though.
Okay,
we're behind like a truck right now.
We're always behind some kind of construction in California.
Yeah, man.
We'll get back to you when it's open road.
All right.
Obviously keeping it under 45, you know?
We're in Mexico, baby. The cops even loud?
I mean, you can hear it. Yeah.
God, bro. I need to show them the horsepower. Actually, I want to check this.
Okay, yeah. Open that up.
Technology in action. Sport displays. 480 and 560, bro.
No way. Oh my god, bro.
The camera almost flew out of your hand, bro.
No way.
Bro, I need to let you drive this.
I think it's just because this car is so smooth, but dude. Oh my god. Dude, that felt psychotic.
This is the first time I went stage 2 in my life on any car. This is crazy.
You guys are gonna have to hear the exhaust, you know, we'll have some exhaust clips.
Oh my god. I'm gonna make a U-turn to go back to that spot and show you guys some exhaust clips. Oh my god, bro.
Oh, we'll give it. Oh my god, I can't even talk anymore. We'll get back to you guys, I guess. Okay, guys, we're literally just pulling in right now. It just makes you kind of speechless. Like, the thing is, the car like really provides that power smoothly, but still, like, you get thrown into your chair.
Bro, it's crazy.
I think we're gonna have to do some flybys. Don't you think so?
Yeah, for sure. Get out of the car, bro.
Yeah, guys, the police just kicked us out.
Security.
That's police. Policeman himself. So I guess we're gonna have to go to another spot. Sucks, but I mean, I would kick him out too. This car is way too loud.
Way too loud.
Alright, we'll get back to you guys when we find another spot. Oh my god.
I think there's a spot over there.
Like a straightaway?
I think so. Yeah, you can see it over there. But it might be a close one.
We'll see what happens. Oh my god!
That's a little crazy. We gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't think the camera's gonna pick that up.
Bro.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed those little clips of the car. Car sounds like a completely different car now. Stage 2 really woke up the car. Honestly, feel like the car should have came like that from factory. Sounds super good. Has way more power. Spins out like crazy. If you guys saw that one of those clips, I was just spinning. But Oz is right there. He's kind of tired.
Yeah. Next video is gonna be me driving my cousin's 500,000 horsepower car.
Yeah, I promised him he could drive the car in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I'm making a video about that. I also got coilovers in the mail, so stay tuned. Like in the mail, like I got it at my house. I got coilovers in. They're gonna get installed next week, hopefully. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, peace out.